Hello everybody, welcome to Wilson County Motors. It's Brian Griz. Just got another 2015 GMC YUKON DENALI. This beautiful white diamond, four-wheel drive, beautifully designed, beautiful DENALI GMC grille, HID headlamps, got the GMC logo. Under the hood is the massive 6.2 liter amazing horsepower, great torque, and an impressive fuel economy of 20 miles per gallon highway, or 400 horsepower. It's got the upgraded 22-inch painted aluminum wheels, got the front and rear park assist, adaptive cruise control. 22 upgraded. It's got the running boards with the chrome accenting, lots of chrome in the doors, door handles, window moldings, roof rack. Total MSRP $72,275. It's got the upgraded white diamond tri-coat paint, the 22-inch wheels. It's got the touring package with a theft deterrent. It's got the rear entertainment center. It's got the self-powered horn. This vehicle has a vehicle inclination sensor, interior vehicle movement, any type of, it will activate that self-powered horn for security. Heads-up display. In the interior, we've got the Cocoa with dark atmosphere interior. Stitching, the DENALI in the headrest, heated and cooled seats. You got wood grain trimming, Bose audio, lots of storage, beautifully accented panels. The rear bucket seats, flip down DVD entertainment center, rear heated seats, all your controls, third row seating. Trailer towing package, got the cover over it. Lift up your glass, or it's your power lift gate. It's got the rear camera. It's all power now. Fold down seating, trifold. Can do just one side or both sections. Got the rear air and heat. You can call 855-507-8520 for any questions about the sale of this vehicle. We consider trades, financing available with approved credit. Beautiful lighting. Remote start. Can we get the 6.2 liter YUKON 2015 DENALI, four-wheel drive, available while it lasts. Airport pickup at Nashville B&A available. Cross traffic alerts, memory seating. Control, lots of storage, USBs. Heated steering wheel. Adjust your collision alert. You can also pull that up on your heads up. Full info on your HID auto headlamps, your four-wheel drive, brake traction control. Adjustable pedals, power telescopic steering. Let's go over here. Check out home, audio, navigations, Pandora, weather apps, video, full OnStar applications included with purchase. 2-year, 24,000 mile maintenance, 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain coverages, and 3-year, 36 limited warranties. Hey, it's Brian Griz. Thanks for taking your time to view this awesome Denali here, available 855-507-8520. Copy of the window sticker pictures are available online at wilsoncounty.motors.com. We're an authorized Chevrolet Buick GMC dealer. Wilson County Motors, a Bone family tradition since 1927, celebrating our 87th anniversary in June. Just off Interstate I-40 exit 236 at 903 South Hartman Drive. Have a great day.